With the holiday season just around the corner, wouldn't it be fantastic to add a little extra jingle to your pockets? Well, you're in luck because today, we're diving into 6 smart ways you can make some extra cash this Christmas. Whether you're looking to spread holiday cheer or just want to treat yourself to something special, these ideas are sure to help you slay the season. But before we unwrap these money-making tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our festive content. First up on our list is the classic seasonal job. The holiday season is the busiest time of the year for many businesses, and they're on the lookout for extra hands to help them handle the festive frenzy. Now, let's delve deeper into the world of seasonal employment and how you can snag the perfect gig to boost your holiday budget. Retail Wonderland. Retail is an obvious hotspot during the holidays. Stores are bustling with customers looking for the perfect gifts, and they need extra staff to ensure the shopping experience is merry and bright. Whether it's assisting customers, stocking shelves, or managing the cash register, retail jobs offer a variety of roles for seasonal workers. Hospitality Haven. If you prefer a more dynamic environment, consider opportunities in the hospitality industry. Many restaurants and hotels host special events and parties during the holiday season, creating a demand for additional staff. From serving delicious holiday feasts to ensuring events run smoothly, there are numerous roles available for those who thrive in a fast-paced, customer-oriented setting. Tips for landing a seasonal job. Now that you know where to look, here are some tips to help you land that perfect seasonal job. Start early. Many businesses begin their holiday hiring in the weeks leading up to Thanksgiving. Don't wait until the last minute. Start applying early to secure your spot. Polish your resume. Tailor your resume to highlight relevant skills and previous experience. Flexible availability. The more flexible your schedule, the better your chances of finding a position. Many seasonal jobs require evening and weekend availability. Network. Check with friends, family, and local community groups. Sometimes, word of mouth can lead to fantastic opportunities. Visit in person. If possible, visit potential employers in person to express your interest. Dress professionally, bring copies of your resume, and make a positive first impression. Remember, the holiday season is a unique time where businesses need extra hands, and by being proactive and showcasing your skills, you can slay the competition and land the perfect seasonal job. Best of luck, and may your holiday season be both festive and financially rewarding. Next on our holiday money-making guide is the world of freelance services. If you've got a talent for graphic design, writing, or virtual assistance, this is the perfect opportunity to turn your skills into a festive paycheck. Let's unwrap the potential of freelancing during the holidays. Virtual assistants for a stress-free season. For those with organizational skills, virtual assistant services can be a game changer. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners find themselves overwhelmed during the holidays, and they're looking for virtual assistants to help manage tasks such as email correspondence, appointment scheduling, and other administrative duties. Websites like TaskRabbit and Remote.co can connect you with businesses in need of your support. Tips for freelance success. Build a festive portfolio. Create a portfolio that showcases your holiday-themed work. This can help potential clients visualize how your skills can enhance their projects during the festive season. Set clear expectations. Clearly outline your services, rates, and turnaround times. This transparency builds trust with clients and ensures a smooth working relationship. Promote your services. Leverage social media, online forums, and holiday-themed hashtags to promote your services. Consider running special holiday promotions to attract attention. Stay organized. As the demand for freelance services increases, staying organized is crucial. Use tools like project management apps and calendars to manage your workload efficiently. Provide excellent communication. Timely and clear communication is key to successful freelancing. Respond promptly to inquiries and keep clients informed about the progress of their projects. Online selling. Now, let's unwrap the potential of online selling as a festive avenue for making extra cash during the holiday season. Whether you're a craft enthusiast, an artist, or just someone with a keen eye for unique finds, the world of e-commerce can be your winter wonderland. Let's explore how you can turn your creative flair or savvy shopping skills into a source of holiday income. Handmade haven. If you have a knack for creating handmade crafts, the holiday season is the perfect time to showcase your talents. From personalized ornaments and festive decorations to custom-made gifts, platforms like Etsy provide a global marketplace for your creations. Use high-quality images, craft compelling product descriptions, and consider offering special holiday promotions to attract buyers looking for that extra special touch. Curated collections. For those with a keen eye for unique finds, consider curating a collection of items that embody the holiday spirit. This could range from vintage holiday decorations to specialty gift sets. Platforms like eBay and Amazon allow you to reach a wide audience, and with the right marketing strategy, you can turn your curated collections into a holiday shopping destination. Print-on-demand magic. If you're a digital artist or have a flair for design, consider leveraging print-on-demand services. These platforms allow you to create custom designs for a variety of products, from t-shirts to mugs, with no upfront costs. Spread the holiday cheer by designing merchandise that captures the festive vibe, and let the platform handle the printing and shipping. Websites like Printful and Printify can help turn your digital designs into tangible, sellable products. Tips for successful online selling. Optimize your listings. Craft detailed and engaging product listings. Use high-quality images, provide accurate descriptions, and highlight what makes your items perfect for the holiday season. Take advantage of social media. Promote your products on social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Create engaging content that showcases the holiday spirit and encourages followers to check out your online store. Offer special holiday promotions. Everyone loves a good deal during the holidays. Consider offering discounts, bundled packages, or limited-time promotions to entice shoppers. Ensure timely shipping. Communicate clearly about shipping times and ensure that orders are processed and shipped promptly. Meeting customer expectations for delivery is crucial for positive reviews and repeat business. Create a brand story. Share the story behind your products and brand. Holiday decor services. As the holiday season approaches, the demand for festive home decor skyrockets. If you have a flair for transforming spaces into winter wonderlands, offering holiday decor services could be the perfect way to sprinkle some joy into your bank account. Let's explore how you can turn your passion for holiday aesthetics into a seasonal business venture. Outdoor illumination magic. One of the most iconic aspects of holiday decor is outdoor illumination. If you have a talent for creating dazzling light displays, consider offering outdoor decoration services. Christmas tree styling. Decorating Christmas trees is an art form, and if you have a knack for selecting the perfect ornaments and arranging them in a visually stunning way, offering Christmas tree styling services can be a lucrative venture. Families and businesses often seek professionals to create a centerpiece that captures the spirit of the season. Showcase your skills through social media, local advertisements, or partnerships with tree sellers to attract clients.